Today, we are going to determine the coordinates of the midpoint when given two endpoints of a lined segment. What is a midpoint? A midpoint of a line segment is a point on that line segment that divides the segment into two congruent segments. Let us look at point A and point B. These are the endpoints of line segment AB. M divides the line segment into two congruent segments. Line segment AM and line segment MB. To find the coordinates of the midpoint, we simply add the x coordinates and divide by 2 to get the x value. Then we add the y coordinates and divide by 2 to get the y value. In other words, x1 plus x2 all divided by 2 gives our x value, and y1 plus y2 all divided by 2 gives our y value. Let us look at an example. Determine the points A, 5, -4, and B, -3, -6. Determine the midpoint of AB. What were we given? We were given the points 5, -4, and -3, -6. What are we required to do? We are required to determine the midpoint of AB. What do we know? We know that x1, which is our first x value in our first point, is 5. x2 is -3. y1, which is our first y value, -4, and y2 is our second y value, which is -6. Let us go ahead and solve the question. Using the midpoint formula, where x1 plus x2 all divided by 2 will give our x component, and y1 plus y2 all divided by 2 will give our y component. Let us substitute the values for x1, x2, y1, y2 into the formula. Now we have 5 plus -3 all divided by 2 and -4 plus -6 all divided by 2. This gives 2 divided by 2 and -10 divided by 2. Therefore, the midpoint of line segment AB is 1, -5. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.